What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's MJ from GridMotors. Today we have a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan that we're working on. It came from another shop as a no start. They pretty much put a brand new fuel pump in it. They ruled out the fuel pump because they've bench tested the fuel pump on the bench and it powers up. The second they put it in the vehicle, it does not want to turn on. They didn't want to touch the electrical side of things, so they got it over here. I'm going to show you what the car is doing, and then I'm going to show you what the fix is and how you can test it yourself. So basically, as you can see, we're inside the vehicle now. Key on, crank, and the reason why it started there is because I kind of temporarily started it, so there's some fuel in the line, but it would just be cranking and not start. There's still some leftover fuel in the lines, and that's why it's barely starting. But if you want to test out your fuel pump, I'm going to show you the fuse box in the front under the hood. Fuse number M25, which is right here, the one that I have removed. It's a 20 amp fuse. The fastest way to test your fuel pump, if you have a power probe, which I have over here, connect that to your battery, positive, battery ground, and come straight at the fuse and just power it up. If you go back to the fuel tank, you can hear the fuel pump. Now you might say you don't have a power probe. That's not a problem. Just grab yourself a straight wire. Now this is just to test out the fuel pump. There are some jumper bypass kits that they sell, but I'm just trying to show you the fastest and quickest way you can touch it, or test it, I mean. So you go straight on battery over here, touch one side of the battery, the other side just come straight on the fuse, and there we have it. You can hear it. So basically now if we go inside the vehicle and start it, the car should start. There we go. So there we have it. Very simple, quick way of testing it. I'm not going to bore you with a 30 minutes video on how to test your fuel pump. That is one of the fastest ways you could test it. Just be careful not to short anything. But I'm sure a DIYer could test it as fast as I did. I hope this helps somebody out there, and I'll see you guys next time.